The Department of Justice is reopening the investigation into the death of Emmett Till, a black teenager whose death helped inspire the civil rights movement. Till, who was from Chicago, was visiting relatives in Mississippi back in 1955 when he was accused of whistling at a white woman in a store. The 14-year-old boy was kidnapped and beaten to death. Two men were charged with murder in connection to Till's death, but were acquitted. They later admitted to a magazine they had killed the teenager. WCCO's Reg Chapman spoke with one of Till's relatives who is still fighting for justice in this case. What a remarkable development so many years later.
It really is, Angela, and family members say they are standing on the shoulders of Emmett Till's mother, Mamie Till Mobley. She always wanted her son's name and what happened to him to never be forgotten. Now family hopes with a revived probe into his murder, justice could soon prevail.
14-year-old Emmett Till's brutal murder is still a sore on the soul of our country and remains one of the most searing examples of racial violence in the South.
We're talking about 63 years of hoping that there would be justice for Emmett.
Deborah Watts, cousin of Emmett Till, says all the family has ever wanted was justice and hope for a better tomorrow. The Department of Justice said it reopened the case based on the discovery of new information. The DOJ would not say what that information is, and no new charges in connection with the investigation have been filed.
I truly think that if this case gets solved and justice prevails, that our country, that America has a time and has an opportunity to heal. And we want to be at the forefront of that movement as well.
Watts believes another look at Till's case could be huge when it comes to our country confronting its past. History was altered when Carolyn Donnan, the woman who more than 60 years ago made accusations against Till, told an author she was not truthful when she testified Till grabbed her, whistled, and made sexual advances at a store in Mississippi in 1955.
With Emmett's murder taking place 63 years ago, this is an opportunity for us to do it right, for the Justice Department to do the right thing, and for the country to see justice prevail.
Now, the Justice Department last reviewed the Till case in 2004. Prosecutors determined that statute of limitations stopped them from pursuing charges in federal court. The family hopes this time things will be different. The Emmett Till Legacy Foundation was founded in Stone Mountain, Georgia, and operates right here out of Minneapolis, Angela, where actually Deborah Watts resides.
Right, and I know she's dedicated so much of her life to keeping this case in the public eye.
That's right.
All right, thank you, Reg.